Welcome, feature yourself.
Good day, kapamilya. Meet my G4. Our lesson for today is called whip. Whip to the side, then whip to the side. Front, back, then snap. Come on, madlang people. Let's do the combination. Good job, guys. Now, get ready. Let's show them what we got.
10 p.m. to 4, and I came to hit the floor. What you knew before, but if you don't, then now you know. But tonight I'm about to mash, make them all they choose to mash. I'm about to